Hello everyone, I'm Chef Dhruva Broy. I run this beautiful set of restaurant called The Olive, The Grammar Room and Bar Sarai. Today for this beautiful festival by Travel Dine, we are doing a recipe straight from Amalfi. By this, virtually we are going from India to Amalfi. So let's start cooking. So it's a very simple and humble recipe from Amalfi Coast, which has three major elements. One is the Genoa sponge, mascarpone, like a simple cream cheese will do. If mascarpone is there, that's great. And this beautiful lime from Calcutta, which is called Gondraj lime. I would love to use Amalfi lime here in India, but somehow it's not available, and we have beautiful variety of lemon in India. So let's start cooking. So you need a little bowl to just soak the sponge in a beautiful liquor which we have made in-house by using this lime, the Gondraj lime. So it's basically neutral spirit, sugar and Gondraj lime, and with some lime juice, whatever comes out of that lemon. So I'm gonna simply soak this sponge. So you can be little more generous, just more than a spoon. Take on a tiramisu but with a lemony twist to it. So I'm gonna simply place this in a glass. Maybe I'll just be more generous with the limoncello. Here you go. So in the meantime it's seeping in the liquor and the sponge. We'll just quickly whip our mascarpone mousse. So for this we'll be taking few spoons of mascarpone. If you don't have mascarpone with you, you can switch this to a good cream cheese, whatever you have. So this has been sweetened with a little bit of sugar. You can also add honey to it just to be on a healthier side. I'm gonna cut some lemon here. So Gondraj doesn't have enough juice, so that's why I think I'm using two different lemons. This is whatever lemon you get in the market. This is a little tricky part. You need to be very careful because lemon might split the cream cheese. So you need to just keep a constant eye on it so that it should not split. And I'm gonna zest more lime into it. That aroma is beautiful. So slightly just whip it. You don't need to use your whisk and then whip it completely. It becomes more delicate because I'm not using any gelatin, so that it should set. So it's very simple, just mascarpone, lemon juice, lime, sugar or honey for the sweetness. And that's about it. So here's your Genoa sponge soaked in limoncello and little mascarpone mousse to cover it up. So you need to refrigerate this for maybe like 2-3 hours so that it just sets up, and then you can have this beautiful pudding, Amalfi pudding, what I call it. I'm going to throw some more lime to it. So this is set to go on the fridge once it's done, and then we'll do a little bit of decoration, and then you can enjoy it. So we have this beautiful crunch which is known as chironji dana in Hindi and charoli almond in English. I think I'm using this for this pudding to get extra crunch. Just talking about a little bit of local, where India meets Italy, and we have this beautiful dessert from Amalfi, which has been paired and garnished with this Indian nut. So our pudding is almost set. So I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of crunch. So here I'm using a charoli nut, very, very Indian. So the whole story is Amalfi Coast meets Sundarban forest. So India meets Italy. So I'm going to sprinkle a nice crunch of charoli. I've got this beautiful sauce made out of, again, Gondraj lemon and limoncello, which is converted into a gel sort of thing. So I'm just gonna drop it over to get extra kick of lime going in. Just randomly. And to garnish it, I'm not using any other herb apart from the sorrel, because sorrel goes really nice with it. If you know what sorrel is, it's like a sour herb which you'll see in your park while you're running and doing your walking and all of that. So it's widely grown in India in different parts of different part of cities and parks, and you'll find it everywhere. So it has a very nice sourness to it, which goes really well with the dessert. Yeah. So here we have our Amalfian lime pudding using Indian Gondraj lime and Chiroli almonds. Cheers. Okay, so let's taste this Amalfian pudding. I'm sure it looks divine but tastes delicious. So yeah, let me dig into it. Oh, can you see the layer of beautiful sponge mascarpone flowing in? I can cook. Surely I can cook.